Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Lappy Phone, and today we are going to be checking out the review of WSA-852. Yeah, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Hello guys, yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm introducing to you this brand new speaker, wireless speaker. It comes with the brand name WS-852. Yes, that's the name, WS-852. You can see it for smartphones and tablets. So the features include wireless speaker, micro SD, USB disc, auxiliary in, speakerphone, FM radio, and ZF card. So that's what it has. So we're going to open it straight out of the box, which is already done. So this is the new radio. You can see it red. This is it has antenna for your radio. The power is behind it. This is the power button here. This is the power button on and off. Is right here. So this is your charging port, and use your USB, and this is your TFT card, your memory card slot, and this is the housing battery. So meaning if it's damaged, it's replaceable battery. So you can change your battery. This is the battery that it comes with. Let's see it. So open the battery pack. So let's go check out what it's all about. So just check it out, put it on, but make sure it's charged before 1 minute. So this is the power button. That's on the first thing. So this is the antenna. It has mode. Let's press it. And here with the sound.
The radio model.
To put on my USB at the back.
Music play model.
USB play mode.
Yes, yeah. Man.
So you change the song.
Overcome it.
With this.
What?
You change this. So go back to previous. Pause.
What?
Okay. So that's for the USB. You have to
The
have
radio model.
so
Music play model. The aux input model.
aux in mode. Then the radio. Once you bring it up, you scan the radio from here. Change it to radio mode.
The radio model.
So this is radio mode. So you scan.
The radio model.
You scan once. And if it's
Getting more comfortable.
Audio channel. Audio channel, you have the environment.
No, the sound
Like
is
this is
fun.
Lagos, Nigeria. So it's scanning the whole station in Lagos.
Yeah.
So now I want to connect this to my phone. Let's scan for it. I've not used this before. See? WSA-852. That's the number. WSA-852. So I'm going to connect to it now. Pairing. Allow access to the contact history. Okay. So it's connected. and it's here saying connected, battery 100% active. So I go to my audio. I'm going to play music via this now. So as
Oh Lord,
so
my
automatically it's changing the sound from my phone. But I'm pressing here. Automatically it changes when I press this button here. I press the volume button, it changes the track on my phone. So this is we go. So we can go back to the radio we've installed.
The radio model.
That body, follow my command like zombie.
Off a goal that was coming.
one. All right, my
Coaches can prove your inspiration. Abaya Zumba.
man, they tell the same story so much they start to push them up on the bench. Give me my money. Other than that.
That's your mother.
So guys, that is about the new WSA-852 radio. So drop your comments below if you have anything to say regarding this. And don't forget to subscribe to the Lappy Phone YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And until next time.